Click on the link below to get price. The AmScope SM4T Series Trinocular Simul-Focal Zoom Stereo Microscope offers an impressive range of features that make it an excellent choice for both amateur enthusiasts and professional users. One of its standout characteristics is the wide magnification range of 3.5X to 90X. This versatility allows users to examine everything from intricate biological specimens to small mechanical parts with exceptional clarity. The zoom feature provides smooth transitions between magnification levels, which is useful for detailed observation and analysis. The optics of this microscope are equally commendable. It utilizes high-quality glass lenses that deliver sharp, bright images with minimal distortion. The trinocular head is particularly beneficial for those who want to capture images or perform video recordings, as it allows the attachment of a camera while maintaining the ability to view the specimen through the eyepieces. This dual functionality is perfect for educational purposes, presentations, or documentation of findings. Another feature worth noting is the LED illumination system, which includes both upper and lower lights. This dual lighting setup ensures optimal visibility of specimens regardless of their transparency or color. The adjustable brightness allows users to customize the lighting based on their specific needs, enhancing the overall viewing experience. The build quality of the AmScope SM4T is robust, ensuring durability for long-term use. The sturdy base provides stability, which is crucial when working at higher magnifications. Additionally, the microscope is relatively easy to set up and operate, making it accessible for users of all skill levels. Overall, the AmScope SM4T Series Trinocular Simul-Focal Zoom Stereo Microscope stands out as a versatile tool for a variety of applications, including education, research, and hobbyist activities. Its combination of excellent optics, extensive magnification range, and user-friendly design makes it a valuable addition to any laboratory or workspace. Whether you are examining biological samples or conducting detailed mechanical inspections, this microscope delivers impressive performance that meets and exceeds expectations.